Welcome back, returning producers with Josephine County Farm Collective. I am making a very quick video to help you through step 2 of the returning producer onboarding checklist. So item number 2 is log into Local Connect. And so this is what that page should look like. You're going to enter your login and your password. And then you need to navigate to your profile. And to do that, you're going to click on this little person icon, go to Settings, and then Manage Markets. Then you're going to select the market, which is Josephine County Farm Collective. You're going to select the little pencil to edit. So now you're in the space that allows you to change your profile. So there's 4 tabs: contact, info, logistics, and users, and you need to go through all 4 of those. So under contact, you want to make sure this is all current, especially your phone number, your email address, and how you want your payments made, your producer payments made, and then click save. If you don't click save, it's not going to save your changes. Okay. Also, please note that anything you enter on this is going to appear to the public. All right, then you're going to select info, and this is where you want to tell your story. Tell the public about your farm, your values, your history, about your land, and then that should be a little bit of a paragraph. The farm practices should be very brief, just kind of bullet point your values and growing strategies. And then if you want to click right here, producer profile page, that's what it looks like to the public, okay? And then you can just close that window and go back. If the marketplace is open, down at the bottom, it will also show you what's currently available for sale to the public. So I'm going to go back. And then down at the bottom is where you're going to update your documentation. So you don't need to send me anything through email or any copies in the mail. You can do this all yourself. So you're going to click on business documents first. You're going to update your business license, and then you're just going to note down here, like, my Oregon Secretary of State business license is in here, and my Oregon Department of Agriculture egg handler's license is in here. And so that's all under business documentation. If you don't already have something in there, you need to update to a current license if what you have in there for last year was expired. And you do that through uploading here. And then you go back under the insurance icon. You're going to upload your current insurance certificate. And again, this is only for producers that are selling an edible product. So if you're just selling plants or alpaca gloves or something that is not edible, you're not required to have that product liability insurance. And then if you have any organic certifications, they would go here, and then you're just going to identify in the drop-down box which organization that you're certified through. And then any other licenses or permits you feel like we need to have on hand would go under other. Okay, and then make sure you save. Then you're going to go to logistics, and this really just tells us when and where you're going to deliver product. This year we only have one option, so it should default to the JCFC Food Hub. You should have both Tuesday and Wednesday checked. Make sure your email address where you want to receive your pick lists is in here. It may be the same as on the first page. It might be different. And then I would recommend just getting a summary pick list because you're not going to need all of your items broken out by customer because you're just packing them by bulk. So I would recommend that you go with summary and save. And then users, you should see your login information. And then you should also see my email address and our market manager's email address. And if they're not there, don't worry about it. We'll add it. Just make sure that your login is in there. And if you have another person in your business that you would like to have access to this, then please let us know and we can add that. So that's really in a nutshell how you update your profile. And that's it. Thanks so much.